Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video we are going to see a small programming in ABB AC500 PLC. Okay, so we will see how to select module or how to add PLC and how we can do a small programming in ladder logic with digital inputs and digital outputs. Okay, so first we will start new project. Select AC500 project. Okay, so project name project 4 something we can select. Now selecting PLC. Okay, so here AC500 is you can see many models. Okay, this is compact and AC500 CMS and AC500 ECO. This is modular type. Okay, so we will try with AC500 ECO. Object name we will go with AC500 554, or okay, we will go with AC500 554. It has 8 digital inputs and 6 digital output transistor. Okay, so we will select this, add PLC. Okay, so once you selected, and left side you can see this is CPU. Okay, this is CPU informations. Okay, and this is application here where we need to do programming. Okay, and this is onboard IO details. Okay, onboard IO cards. Here we can see digital inputs and digital outputs. Okay, so we have 8 digital inputs and 6 digital outputs. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 boolean. Okay, so this is 8 digital inputs. You can see digital inputs 0 to 7, total 7 numbers, and digital outputs we have 6 digital outputs, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 boolean outputs. Okay, so digital outputs from digital output 0 to digital output 5. Now we will program a small DOL starter. Okay, start stop with one output in ladder logic. Okay, so for that you can use directly, you can address directly these inputs, or you can assign your own inputs. Okay, here I will put start digital input 1 start and digital input 2 stop. Okay, and digital output is run. Okay, so I have assigned two digital inputs and one digital output. Okay, so for simple programming, then update the project. So once you do this, you will come to know whether there is any error or not. Now we have zero errors. Okay, so now we have assigned our two inputs and one outputs. Now we will go in application. Okay, so this is where we can do our programming. Okay, so programming is opening, window is opening. So once this window open, you can see this. Okay, so this is programming page. Here only you have to, or we have to add our program. Okay, so now we will add object. Once you go for add object, you will face this window. Here you can select whether you are doing program or program function block or function. Now we can do directly program. Okay, this is in that you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 type of language of PLC programming available here. Instruction list, ladder, function block diagram. Okay, like this. So now we will select ladder diagram. Okay, program ladder diagram. We will see our we can put our program name pump control. Okay, so this is our program, so we should not give space. Okay, we will put controls, ROL control. Okay, so whenever you are adding this object, you have to write in the programming page. Okay, now we added control, so we have to write here, or else this program will not cannot be read. Okay, now we go control, and we have starting itself we will have one network. So here we can do our program. Okay, so this one line top you can see network before button and network after button, normally open, normally close, parallel, normally open, parallel. So you can see all the buttons available on the top. Okay, here you can select directly whatever you need. Okay, so this is no input. So here, what is this input we have to give? We have already assigned a start. Okay, so now we will go with start. Now there we can write start, start, start. Okay, normally open start. Now we need stop. So stop must be normally close. Okay, stop, stop. Here we will put our output. What output we have assigned already? Run. Okay, so run. So this is how you can add your NONC and output in ladder diagram. Okay, now after you finishing your program, you have to go for build. So doing this, you will come to know whether you have made any errors or not. Now zero errors, zero warning. Okay, now we will go for simulation mode, login. Now run. Okay, so now we have two digital inputs and one digital outputs. Now we will see by forcing this value. Okay, now we force the value. You can see start input is available. So through this stop NC, the output is enabled, run. Okay, now we will give stop input. Once you give stop input, the output is off. So this is how you can make the programming ladder diagram and how it will work in ABB AC 500 PLC. Okay, so this is basic program for beginners. Okay, so I will be updating many logic blocks how we can use in this ABB AC 500 PLC. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Okay, I will meet you in next video with a different programming. Okay, till then, bye from Senappa.